In this episode we're going to review the Appearing pencil. I've got this plastic bag, right, open it up. I can take out my pencil. There you go. One giant pencil. The Appearing pencil, otherwise known as a pad scratcher, is an interesting development on the whole sequence of appearing wands and appearing 10-foot poles and appearing shovels. There seems to be an whole bunch of them at the moment. My review for this is going to add to some of those others. I should point out that I use the appearing wand in almost every show that I do, and I do about 200 to 250 shows a year, so it gets a lot of work out of me. But looking at this and looking at the wands, and I have to replace them approximately once every 6 months, because what happens is they start to crack. I don't want to give away too much about how it works, even though I think it's fairly obvious as soon as you can't hand it out. This isn't something for examination, and with all these products it's like a visible thing, good for a stage show, and that's about it. The pad scratcher, which is what we're reviewing in this episode, does not have an end. So officially it's a pencil because it's got some tape on the end of it, and that's all it is. Just a bunch of tape at the end and nothing at the end to say it's a pencil. That is a problem for me because the purpose I had for it initially was to do a trick where I would produce the pencil as the ultimate finish, and it didn't quite play out. So as a prop it does the job, but it's not that good. Without the end, it's really just a pole. Really, it's not even a pole. It's just a piece of plastic with tape on the end of it. And it's falling to pieces. It cracks quite quickly, quite easily. So I'm not going to take much longer on this. I'm going to give it 10%. 10%. Because it's pretty much useless. It's not a pencil. It's not a pencil if it doesn't look like a pencil and it doesn't like one. Okay, there we go. 10%. Let's move on.